My name is Sandeep Poddar. I am one of the directors at Antrep Ventures Private Limited. We are a management consulting firm. We are our office in T-Hub. Primarily, we work with startups and SMEs in terms of taking them from 0 to 1 and 1 to 10. We are a services company rather than a products company. So we help companies in terms of how do they go to market, how do they expand their market, how do they go about in putting financial systems and processes in place, IT solutions and in practice. We also help them in terms of their branding and marketing strategy through our digital marketing channels which we have. We help them in terms of digital transformation, in terms of the growth using the latest cutting edge technologies which are in prominence right now. So one of the biggest is T-Hub naturally, and we have also worked a lot with a lot of educational institutions. Name a few, we have worked with Malla Reddy Group of Institutions, we have worked with Nalsar, we have worked with Institute of Public Enterprises. Even outside Hyderabad, we have worked with, let's say, Meghalaya College of Engineering, we have worked in Shillong in terms of providing entrepreneurship and innovation training with them. Primarily Andhra and Telangana, but whenever it is required to be given outside Hyderabad, we take out our time and we work with them as well. KL University is also one of our, Vignan Jyoti University is also one of them. So we are trying to bring in the spirit of entrepreneurship and culture in colleges and institutions. That's our primary focus, and we are trying to take that even to the SME level as well in terms of the bringing innovation and let's say the innovation culture even within SMEs as well. It is not from our this one. Our primary focus is to India has to move from being job job creators rather than being job seekers. So that's what we are trying to do in terms of catching them young, working with them, working with the colleges, institutions, and seeing to it that we bring in the spirit of entrepreneurship such that they can think of the methodology of entrepreneurship right from the days of the college, such that once they are out of the college, rather than go out and seek a job, they should be able to set up an enterprise, something like this. That's what we are trying to do.